How to set image as watch face on Huawei Band 10. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the watch face to your any photos and on the Huawei Band 10. So for that you have to open Huawei Health and navigate to the device's detailed screen, and on the watch faces tab you have to go to more, then mine, and swipe up on to find on watch and touch gallery to access the custom settings screen. And after that we have to touch plus and select take photo or gallery as the method for uploading. You have to touch in the upper right corner and then save. Your wearable device will then switch to the newly set gallery watch face. You can also customize style, layout and widgets and then touch save. You can upload more than one image and tap on the device home screen to switch between the images and enjoy multiple customized watch faces like this one, as you can see here. And you can the gallery watch face feature is unavailable on some devices models that are lower graded than Huawei Band 10. To delete an image from gallery watch face, navigate to the gallery watch face and settings screen, touch the cross icon at the upper right corner of the target image and touch save. So that's it for the video guys. See you on the next one.